I am going to go through and explain the water heater to you. As you can see here, this is a tankless water heater. It has a condensation line here coming off of the combustible vents. You will see water in this tube. It is completely normal to have water in this tube. Located down here is the on and off valves for the water themselves. If you notice that this one here is going up and down, that means that it is in the on position. We have turned this one to the off position. You can see how it breaks the line. That is in the off position. So if you ever needed to turn it off, you would want it to look like this. And then to assure that it was on, you would want it to be up and down. Located down here is the main gas line that runs into the fixture. As you can see, the valve that is located here is the shutoff for the gas main. Just as we showed you up here, up and down is on. If you slide it over, this direction is off. If you notice there's a drain in the floor here, you want to make sure that the pipes are always in this drain, because at any given time, water can come out of these pipes and dump down into the drain. Located here is the GFI outlet that the water heater itself is plugged into. It is protected by a ground fault interrupter. What that means is that if anything surges or gets damp in this outlet, it can trip. If it is in the tripped mode, you will see a red light glowing that indicates that it is inoperable. In order to reset that, all you do is simply hit the reset button on the top, and it resets power to the fixture. One of the things that is important to understand about a tankless water heater is that a lot of people think that it is instant hot water. That is the only thing that is the misnomer about the water heater. It still takes the same amount of time for the water to get to the fixture as it does a normal water heater. The difference is that once you get hot water, you will never run out of hot water unless you use over 5.1 gallons of water per minute.